In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a ticket in Jira, a popular tool for project management and issue tracking. Whether you're cleaning up old tasks or removing a ticket that was created by mistake, understanding how to properly delete a ticket is an important administrative skill to have in your toolbox. Now, let's walk through the process step by step. First, you need to open the Jira project where the ticket you want to delete is located. It's essential to start in the right project since Jira can host multiple projects, and being in the wrong one might lead to unnecessary confusion. Once you're in the correct project, you'll want to navigate over to the board. The board is where all your tickets are displayed and managed, providing a visual representation of tasks and issues that need attention. Next, you'll need to locate the specific ticket you wish to delete. Take your time to ensure you open the correct ticket, as deleting the wrong one could result in a loss of important information. Once you've located it, open it up. This will take you to the detailed view of the ticket, where you'll have access to its current status, description, and other relevant data needed for your project. Now, within the ticket view, look for the More menu. This menu is typically represented by 3 dots, and it's usually found at the top of the ticket view. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several actions available for you to perform. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to select the delete option. This is the critical step where you'll begin the deletion process. But wait, don't worry, Jira has a built-in safeguard here. Once you choose to delete a ticket, a confirmation window pops up. This is an essential security measure to prevent accidental deletions. This confirmation window will prompt you to confirm your decision to delete the ticket. Take this moment to double check that you've selected the right ticket and that you really want to remove it from the system. Confirming this action is crucial since once a ticket is deleted, recovering it can be complicated or even impossible. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and click delete again in the confirmation window. This will finalize the process and permanently remove the ticket from your project in Jira. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted a ticket. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Jira project remains clean and organized, and you'll prevent any unwanted or outdated tickets from cluttering your workflow. Remember to always double check the tickets you're deleting to maintain the integrity of your project data. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.